me now. The questioning of his family taking place. Information on that angle, please.
Well, exactly. We are reporting from the residence of Dr. Omar in Koyil, Pulwama. And this is the residential house of Dr. Omar. Late last evening, Jammu and Kashmir police teams had arrived here. His two brothers were detained, picked up for questioning. And today morning, his mother has also been picked up by the police teams. We had a conversation with the family members. They said that it was Friday last week, the last time Omar had contacted with them. Basically, family had informed Dr. Omar that there were, in fact, police raids taking place, and police was basically looking for and requested him to return back to Kashmir Valley. And Dr. Omar had basically told his family members that he will return after 3 days. Now, after 3 days, we have seen a blast taking place outside the Red Fort. As of now, Jammu and Kashmir police is basically connecting and, in fact, the dots with related to the incident that has taken place in Delhi late last evening, yesterday in the evening, and the earlier case that is under investigation and being investigated by Jammu and Kashmir police, where in fact we have seen two Kashmiri doctors, Dr. Adil and Dr. Muzammil, were arrested, and in fact a female doctor from Lucknow as well. We are also picking up from the sources that Dr. Umar had previously worked at Government Medical College, Anantnag. He had done his degree from Government Medical College, Srinagar, had started working in Government Medical College, Anantnag, the same medical college where Dr. Adil was also working before he started working in Saharanpur. Okay. So from last 3 years, the family says that he was working there in Faridabad. He was not much social. This is what his family members are telling us here. He was in fact visiting his residence in Pulwama not more often, and family members had basically requested him to return back just 3 days before. But then he had told the family members that he will be visiting back his residence after 3 days. Friday was the last day Omar had contacted his family members, and since then now the family members say that all of their devices, that mobile phones, have been seized by Jammu and Kashmir police, and two male members of this family who are the brothers of Dr. Omar, they have been picked up, they are being questioned, they are being investigated, and then the mother of Dr. Umar was also picked up early in the morning, which signals, at least indicates that since there are in fact unidentified dead bodies.
Has been taking place, Sahil, anything as far as his behavior is concerned or his alleged indulgence in such terror activities is concerned, was the family in the know?
Well, as of now, families say they are not, they were not aware of any thing that was that is seen as something a person's inclination towards terrorism. But yes, one thing they say is that he was not so social. He was not talking to his family members more often. He was not visiting his home village more often, which basically gives some sort of signal that he was living his life, in fact, much privately. So individuals of this nature have potential to get radicalized or to get any sort of incident. This is what I'm telling is based on the on sort of thesis. It's in fact have been in fact seen. There have been many studies where we have seen
members of his family have been picked up. Their electronic devices that have been seized. They are being questioned as to last when they were in touch with Omar, on his whereabouts, all of that information that is now being sought by the security officials. Thank you very much, Sahil, for getting connected with us on that particular angle, because Dr.